it's like you're like you want to do good, but you don't know how it's gonna turn out, and like you're like, oh, damn, like I hope I do good. So like you always have that rush, and I think it's something that's always gonna stay no matter what.
Just a little nervous, just because I was nervous.
I feel like even if I'm like a major star in the future or whatever, like I'm still gonna have that same feeling, and that's how it is. That's the business, yeah.
Hey, yo, Mary, what the fuck is up? Alright, cause some of y'all look like a black 21-year-old Jay-Z looking motherfucker. But nah, I go by the name of Expo. I came out here with my team, Dream B.I.G. I came out here with the #1 DJ Chopper Dunks.
I was just prepping people. I was trying to just get people hyped. I was trying to get myself hyped before TK comes on, because I know if TK comes on, I'm gonna get more hyped. So.
I think you calling your picture about me such and such. I can touch you, I love you, but make me dance if I'm joking. Nothing love, I suggest that you go. Don't think it's better than catching who let this fool with it though. So wish I was dead, I'm with the love of that hole. Nothing but a soul I can't like it, say. If you was a woman, I think you should have won the win. The rest of them was funny, that win when you go, bro. I would say to all you sexy ass ladies right now, but I came out here with TK.
I'm trying to like play out what the song is about itself. You know, it's a sexual song, and I just kind of like try to do my little sexy thing on stage. You know what I mean? Try to like kind of get the crowd into it, and I think it worked. You know.
That's right. That's right.
The girls are kind of reaching out towards something that they shouldn't reach out to, especially their boyfriend. But yeah, I ended up rapping to her. She was blushing. I feel like I did my job.
This is Roth. You got swag with some boys. This is Roth. This is Roth. You got a little something about swag real quick. Hold up. Hey TK, what the swag mean nowadays? I just hear them talking like they won't know that's not what they is. I was saying, thinking I can use to us. With some random telling me that you don't have a clue what to do.
The funny thing people don't know about swag is that me and TK, we didn't expect it to be like as we didn't expect people to vibe with it as much as we vibe with it. You know what I'm saying? So for them to, you know, like wave their hands and get hype with it, you know what I mean? Like and treat it, approach it like a party song. I was really impressed.
So now who wants to party? I'm talking like the front house parties where all the people get fucked up and shit. And all the girls go on stage and shit. You guys want to party just like that? Can you do that? Like that? So let's say something right now. Ask Roth are gonna come up, y'all are gonna party. So if you guys want to party, we'll come out. You know what I mean? We'll be out, don't worry, we're just not. So for the next shit, we're gonna need all the college girls to get their ass on stage right now. And party with us right now. So let's do this shit. Let's do this shit right now. Get your ass on stage.
I know it was Chopper Dunks originally when we was running through our set. He was being like, we were just running through college girls, like, yo, so you guys like do college girls, just have the girls go on stage. So I look at TK, we're just like, nah, fuck out of here.
I thought it was probably gonna be like maybe 2 or 3, you know what I mean? Well, like shit.
I expected 5 girls. It turned from 5 to like, I don't even know.
It was just like trying to grab me and shit.
The ratio, it was like a shitload of white girls, which probably shows we're going somewhere in life now at this point.
It went good. It went better than I thought he would, so that's good.
Let's go. but she loving on my face, so I told her she just see my pictures on her Facebook. I love her movements always there. I told her that she should follow me. I keep her in my tail. She's never been out the doctors that she feeling well. Her baby told me that she ready to go to my door. And with the R isn't looking, we can hit the sheets. Who's on at the books? I'm such a freak. I'm so lucky. This is good. You can't just she know when you're locked. I can have it until I'm steady. I'm steady. So we can touch up the class.